Introducing the MATCHFIT X-Pad 4-Pack, an essential upgrade that adds inline pressure to your MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps. The X-Pad slips right over the standard cap, applying downward and lateral pressure simultaneously, eliminating the need for a separate inline clamp. Unlike traditional inline clamps that rely on dog holes, the X-Pad can be positioned anywhere along the dovetail track. No matter the size or shape of your project, you get all the clamping pressure you need where you need it with fewer clamps. Use them with spacers to secure material without obstructing the top. Perfect for sanding, routing, or hand tool work. You can even glue up large projects without long clamps. You ever seen a clamp do that? It's bonkers. The X-Pad also features a V-groove along one axis, keeping the clamp from rolling off of one side or the other, taking the frustration out of clamping round stock. If you use MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps in your shop, upgrading with the X-Pad is a game changer. MATCHFIT X-Pads come in packs of 4 and are compatible with all existing MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp models. They're backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Turbocharge your clamps and do more with less. Add to cart and work smarter today with the MATCHFIT X-Pad, another true innovation from MicroJig.